concept number 4, finding the discriminant. Again, that is b squared minus 4ac. Just what's under the radical. Again, if it's a positive number, you get 2 real solutions. If it's 0, you get 1 real solution. If it's a negative number, you get 2 imaginary solutions. So, number 7 says, find the discriminant of the equation and describe the number and the type of solutions of the equation. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to label A being 1, B being negative 6, and C being 10. And I'm going to throw it in this formula right here. So I have negative 6 squared, B squared, minus 4 times A, which is 1, times C, which is 10. And then I simplify. Negative 6 squared is 36. Negative 4 times 1 is negative 4, times 10 is negative 40. And then what is that? Well, that's negative 4. So what does that mean? That negative 4 means 2 imaginary solutions. 2 imaginary solutions. Alright, second one. And A equals 1, B equals negative 6, and C equals 9 this time. Alright, so now I have negative 6 squared, B squared, minus 4 times A, which is 1, times C, which is 9. Okay, so again, I still get positive 36. And then negative 4 times positive 1 is negative 4 times 9 is negative 36, which equals 0. 36 minus 36 is 0. Therefore, I get 1 real solution. That's what I'm looking for. And the last time, this time, C is 8. So A is 1, B is negative 6, and C is 8. Alright, so again I have B squared, negative 6 squared, minus 4 times A, which is 1, times C, which is 8. That gives me 36 minus 32. That is positive 4. And then this time, since I have a whole number greater than 0, I get 2 real solutions. Voila. Alright. There we go. I'm going to ask you to do the same thing on number 8. Just try it. I'm going to show you the answer here. So pause, work through that. Unpause when you're ready to see the answers, and here we go. A is 1 real solution, B is 2 imaginary solutions with a negative 20, and then C is 16, which is 2 real solutions. Alright, check those answers out. And I'm going to scoot up just a little bit. On the bottom, there's a concept summary, and really it's just methods of solving quadratics. And what to use, when to use. Well, I'd say graphing when you want to see a visual is the best. Solving by taking the square root, I'd say when it has no b term, you want to go that route. Factoring, I'd say always try to factor. It's the easiest way if it's factorable. Solving by completing the square, well, it's not factorable and you have an a term of 1, I like completing the square myself. And then if it's not factorable and I have an a term of anything different than 1, I'd use quadratic formula. But that's personally, and whatever you guys want to go about is fine. I am not going to see your work, so if it asks you to complete the square and you did quadratic formula on a test, doesn't really matter, right? As long as you know how to solve for the correct answer, we're good. Alright guys, that's all I got.